Well, the short version to this question is that you probably have a partially clogged vent or drain pipe. And most of the time, it's going to be a clogged drain pipe. And the reason for the noise is that air is simply trying to get past the partially clogged area. And that's usually what's going to cause your gurgling sound, with air bubbles usually coming out of or getting sucked into the plumbing system. So now that you know you have a problem with the plumbing system, I think the first thing you can try will be to use a plunger if you have one. The next up on the list will be to try to unclog the trap, and sometimes you're going to be able to do that by taking the trap apart if you have access to it. If you don't, then you might want to skip this and go to the next one, and that will be to find the closest clean out to the problem area and then try to run some type of a plumbing snake through those plumbing pipes, hoping to dislodge the blocking and solve your problem. And the last thing I want to mention will be that you might consider climbing up on the roof and checking your vent pipes. Now, this can be dangerous, so I'm not recommending it for everyone, but sometimes you're going to be dealing with a clogged vent pipe, and this could be from a variety of different things. One of those could be a dead animal stuck in the pipe or some type of debris. And the last thing I want to mention is that if you cannot do any of these things, or you have a difficult time doing any of them, or you've done some of them without having any success at all, then now might be a good time to either gather more information on this topic or call a plumber with at least 10 years of experience dealing with these problems. And thanks for watching. Also, don't forget to visit our website. We have an organized list of our videos there. You might have a difficult time finding that anywhere else.